Hello guys, welcome back to Lola's Kitchen, and today I'll be sharing with you my very own delicious potato beans fridge. And here is everything we need to make the dish. We need some carrots, some clean beans, you don't need the skin, and then some potatoes that I already cut into cubes, red stew, red oil, and your seasonings. So I'm going to cook inside my pot, which I marinated my chicken from last night. So I'm just going to take the chicken out, grill it on my oven, and then add the red stew. Next, I'm adding the red oil. You can use any oil if you don't like red oil. Then add some water, don't put too much. Next, I'm adding the beans. Then add your seasonings. And then make sure you mix really well. Cover the lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes. And 10 minutes later, I've added the potatoes, mixed gently here. And after 5 minutes, I just come to check and see what is going on. I mix it a little bit and make sure you're mixing here very gently and carefully because we don't want the beans to be all smashed up. And now I'm going to add the carrots, let them cook for 3 to 5 minutes. After that, food is ready.